Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Santa stocking does in Grey Garden. It says a winter magic resides within, removes half of the mutations on a fruit and rerolls the rest. Rare mutations have lower chances. It's a divine gear. I'm going to use it in this garden because I don't want to take risks on my other garden. So let's get it out. Oops. You're just going to take it out here, and I forgot to take a picture for my thumbnail, so I'm going to do that before I use it. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. This is how I take my thumbnails, by the way. It's not important, but oops. There we go. Hopefully that looks good enough. Let's view it first. Okay, that looks good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna use it. So I'm just going to go to my garden and I'm just going to press on it. Oh, I guess we're using it on a fruit. So let's use it on this cookie stack. I'm just going to use it. It says, are you sure you want to use Santa's stocking on this fruit? This remove half of the mutations on this fruit and randomize the rest. I don't think I'm going to do it. I think I am going to attempt it on my other plant. Well, let's actually load my first save slot here. Which plant should I use it on? I'm honestly too scared to use it on like the ones that have more mutations. So let's pick a proper one. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do it on my Crimson Thorn because I don't really mind. So let's press on it. Okay, let's unfavorite it first. Okay, and then send a stocking and press it. Confirm. No. Okay, it's like less worth it, but I don't mind. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.